go. Alright, welcome to Soul TV. And today I got my cousin James Murphy, and he's gonna make a personal pizza for us, and he's using flour tortillas to make it. So come join us right here on Soul TV Fun Recipes. Let's go!
The first thing you want to do is go over to your oven, set it to broil, 500 degrees.
500 degrees.
And you're all set. And then we'll go over and start making the pizzas. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you'll need to make these. So first we have here is some flour tortillas. Then we have some olives, some mushrooms, my favorite classical pizza sauce. Got some Kraft mozzarella cheese here, and Gallo salami pepperonis. Okay, so we're gonna take these, open up these tortillas, and I'm gonna take a couple of these out, and I'm gonna toast them in the oven. So I'm gonna throw a couple in the oven. We're gonna let those kind of warm up for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then once we do that, we're gonna start putting our sauce on. It's done. Ding, it's done. So we gotta go over here. We're gonna pull out. Whoa, almost burned myself. Got those done now, so we're gonna go bring them over to our ingredients now. We're gonna first get some of this classical sauce on it. And just like at a regular pizza shop, you're gonna get your sauce on there, spread it around. If you like a lot of sauce, if you like a little bit of sauce. Some people like a lot of sauce, some people like a little bit of sauce. Then we're gonna get some of this mozzarella cheese here. And you know what? I'm a cheeser. I love cheese, so I'm gonna put lots of cheese on here. That's the cool thing about making a personal pizza, is you can put all the cheese you want on it. All right. We got this. Even kids can make these pizzas. So if you're making pizzas, you know, you want a little project to do with your youngins, this is a perfect project for them. Learn how to make some little pizzas. And if they mess up, hey, you only burn a tortilla, right? Now we're gonna put our pepperoni slices on. And we'll throw a couple on here. And you know, it doesn't just have to be pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives. You can use artichoke hearts. You know, you can make them veggie style if you want veggies, any way you like. So I'm just gonna throw a couple of mushrooms on there because I love mushrooms too. And then, you know, it ain't a pizza without olives, right?
Oh, he's making a pizza. Okay, we gotta wait for the video.
Okay. A little bit more cheese. Shake a little bit more cheese on top of that. Like I said, I love cheese. All right. So now we're ready to take these, put them in the oven. Should take about 5 minutes. So here we go. Got the oven set at 400 degrees. put those in there, and I'll check in on them at 3 minutes, and again at about 5 minutes, just to make sure that we got the right consistency on them. We don't burn them. All right, now we're gonna go check in on this again. Take a look at it. I think they're ready to go. Okay. So here we go. We got our pizzas. Take a look at that. All right. And I'm just gonna bring them over here, sit them down. We're gonna let them cool a little bit, and then we're gonna slice them. There you go. So we're ready to slice this up.
It do look good though. Look like a real pizza.
You got a lot of hungry people over there, James. You got a lot. Oh yeah, 4 slices right there.
All right.
All right, we got.
Hey.
I got my uncle.
Uncle Lit?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You got. I don't know about y'all, but
All right.
Yeah.
I can't really eat cheese.
I don't know about your heartburn, but
Go ahead.
I taste it.
Yeah, he's still swampy, so I guess it tastes good.
Tastes cheesy, saucy, and delicious.
You know what I'm saying? So cheese
And that flat crust tastes nothing but cheese and meat.
perfect recipe. Right, this because it's too late. Get that for the phone on the screen.
All right, man. Okay.
I like the way that looks.
All right, what do you think, Jazz?
There you go. Man. Yo,
I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, man.
It has a nice crust to it. It has a really good flavor profile.
So what do you think, Steve?
I think we'll be having this again. We'll
be doing it again?
another slice.
All right.
I guarantee you will like this. Very delicious. This one gets the blue ribbon.
Thanks, man.
You got
Thanks,
it.
guys. All right. Thanks. Hey, thanks for having me.
Okay. All right, Uncle Henry, ready?
Thank you. I would kick your way here.